doesn't want to look flawless from head to toe, right? Hi, I'm Nalakshi and I have a question for you. Do you follow the same rigorous skincare regime for your body as you do for your face? We've got a 2-ingredient DIY scrub you can make at home easily. All you need is 200 grams of fine sugar and any non-comedogenic oil like almond, olive or argan oil. Take a handful and start scrubbing in gentle circular motions. Wash off gently for a smooth, moisturized skin. How about we introduce you to an amazing body mask? Meet Body Slush, a one-of-a-kind body mask that fights acne, moisturizes, fades blemishes and soothes the skin. Its soft mousse-like texture glides on the skin like a dream. With a powerful combination of glycolic acid, rosol clay and turmeric, you just need Body Slush to help you deal with it all. If we remove our hair, no matter what way we choose to do it, there's bound to be irritation, redness and bumps on the skin, which is why we created Fuzz Off, a rich and creamy aftercare lotion that smooths, repairs, brightens and soothes post-hair removal angry skin like no other. With a combination of ingredients like calendula extract, peppermint oil and avocado oil, this is your post-hair removal magic potion. Moisturizing is extremely important. A simple and an affordable solution for that is a petroleum jelly as an overnight treatment. Petroleum jelly deeply moisturizes the skin, leaving it feeling soft and smooth. Remember, our body skincare is just as essential as our facial skincare. And of course, we don't have to do it every day, but completely neglecting it is also a no-no. We hope you use these tips and tricks in your routine and give your body the pampering it deserves.
We're giving 3 lucky people the chance to win an amazing beauty hamper. All you have to do is make sure you're subscribed to Glamrs and tell us in the comments what your favorite body care DIY is. We'll be announcing the winners in next Monday's video at 6 p.m. So make sure to tune in to find out who wins. Here are the winners from last week's giveaway.